Hello everyone, Tommy here with another Cymbal visual tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to be covering one of my favorite off-the-hand visuals, which are called buckets. So, once again, these start out at dinner plates position, so start out with the cymbal just resting on your palm. And they look pretty much like this. And then, obviously with the left hand, it's just the mirror image. So buckets are sort of the first of our complicated visuals, because there's a lot of different motions happening. In the first half of the visual, what's happening is you're sort of turning the cymbal in like this, so it sort of goes around this way. So it's the same direction around your wrist as when you're reloading or doing a pancake or a gesture. But the difference is you're actually going to go a full revolution around your hand. And at this point, the cymbal, you can see if I just leave it alone, it just sort of starts to level out and hang. But what you actually want to do is, as soon as it makes a full turn around your wrist, you're then going to swing it back just like the end of a gesture. So that motion of sort of in a gesture where you start here and bring it down, it should feel pretty similar minus the arm motion. So you go around on the inside and then back on the outside. And I'm doing these sort of across my body, but you can also just do them to the side. The key trick is that transition where once it's sort of gone around your wrist once, you then sort of add a little twist and then you flip it back. So if I'm doing it really slowly, so there's the twist, there's the twist, and then around. And buckets are nice because you can actually sort of really slow the motion down. So you go around and back. From the side, going around and back. So it looks like this sort of very unintuitive thing where you contort your wrist in a bunch of ways. But really, you want to think of the motion as sort of starting out just like you're doing something else, like a pancake or a gesture, but just with your arm pointed sort of downwards. And you let it turn around, and then you eventually basically get to this position where it's sort of just hanging off your wrist, and then you just sort of do a very normal flip back to the set position. From the inside, it's going to look like this. Go around, and then back. And that's how you do a bucket.